Welcome, everybody. We've been doing a lot of talking about website accessibility and different ideas around that. A lot of things with website structure, alternative text, updating your content and using typed out words inside of a text box instead of uploading images and posters to your website. And now I think it's time for us to back up a little bit and review some of our basic Divi skills that we are going to be needing to use these accessibility features in. There's a lot of times you get going and you're doing the same routine thing on your website. You're adding posts and you're doing basic information and you've got a system for that. And then out of the blue, the Friends of Library say, we need you to add this link on our website to our new donation page, and you need to make a button or something, or come in and adjust something on a web page, and you're right back into Divi and you haven't been here for a while. So I'd like to do a bit of a Divi refresher, look at some of our most fundamental modules, and throw in a few of these like, oh, and by the way, now that we're talking about accessibility, let's make sure that these things are also part of your routine and process. So we're going to refresh our core Divi Builder skills. We're going to revisit some of our commonly used modules and features, and we'll just share some of those practical tips for accessibility. So many of you are much more comfortable on the visual builder front end because you can see what you're doing. But I do want to go back to some Divi 101 and a reminder of what the back end looks like and how the back end relates to what happens on the front end. A reminder that when you are on the back end, it is much more visible how the structure of Divi works, that Divi is a modular block builder. And it uses some color cues and some shape cues to show us where that structure comes in. A Divi page on the back end is very obvious because it is everything that is in this purple box. And so there is one page and one purple box per website URL. And in this case, we're in the library board URL. A reminder that our WordPress automatically assigns a slug, the last little bit of that URL based on whatever your title is in on your page. And you can go ahead and edit that. We just had a discussion about wanting to have a page say something that, like a calendar page /calendar, because, my website /calendar, because then I can print it out somewhere, people can remember it easily. Um, Keeping this, you can make this URL something easy to remember if you do not want to use what the title of the page is. So this purple box is representative of everything that is in that page that's under that URL. The purple box can contain multiple sections and a section can contain multiple rows, and a row can contain multiple columns of multiple different kinds of modules. So back to your Lego brick building, this is kind of like your standard, maybe you have your plate and then you put your 2x4 bricks on it, and then you have your other little bricks, and the bricks just fit inside the other bricks. And you ended up, it's actually probably more of a Russian nesting doll of different parts and pieces that all fit together into these neat containers. If you are on the back end and you know what you're going for and you're trying to get to something on the bottom of a long page, you can collapse down a section and you can make everything in a section disappear. That gives you the ability to add a new section below. You can also collapse an entire row, and then you can see that there's another row down beneath it. And here with these plus buttons is how you would add a new section. And it's going to ask you what kind of section. Usually you're probably going to just want a regular section. Then it's going to ask you what kind of rows you want inside that section. And the rows, all of this can change. You do not have to be married to whatever one choice of idea you start with. You can select a single width, and this is going to be just one module all the way across, or this is going to be just like the row above it, where you have the two modules across, and then it's going to ask you to start adding modules to it. Again, you can collapse that up and make that go away so it's out of your way. You can collapse this module and you can open up that one. I have had a couple times where people are like, oh, my information is gone. Actually, I've done it to myself a couple times where I come in and one of these is collapsed up and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's no information on this page. Click on the caret and the other things appear. Again, on the back end, you don't see what any of the pictures look like. You don't see what any of the text looks like. All you're seeing is placeholders for the type of information that is going to be conveyed. One of the difficult things that people, I think one of the reasons people don't like being on the back end is because on the back end, all of these modules, no matter what they are, they look the same. And that can be very disorienting. If I, and a reminder, maybe you haven't seen this before, maybe you have, there, rather than going to the full front end of your website and clicking this build on the front end, you can take a sneak peek of your desktop view or even your tablet view or your phone view by clicking on one of these three icons up above the purple bar. If I click on this little computer monitor icon, I am going to get a little preview, mini preview of the content that is being described in that wireframe on my page without having to leave and go entirely back out to the front end of my website. This gives me a little more ability to toggle back and forth between what this back end modular view it's called the wireframe view. So if you ever see it described as a wireframe somewhere, it's just it's the skeleton of your web page. And then you can toggle back and forth and take a look at what it looks like on that desktop view. And you can also right here and there see what the tablet view or the phone view looks like without having to go all the way out to the front end builder. The reason I like this back end builder, even if it seems very uh, generic, is because it's much easier to move things around. If you have need to make large changes to your page and move things on the front end, it's often hard to identify where the module begins and ends. And let's say that I wanted to move this sign up for the newsletter and I can't, sometimes it can be really tricky to get this box to pop up and to control where it's actually moving on the front end builder. By using the wireframe builder, the trick is to make use of these administrative boxes, labels down here. Right now, all this is telling me is that this is a text box, a text module. It doesn't tell me anything about what is in it. But when I was on the desktop view, you can see that what's here is the sign up for the newsletter. So I can label this and be like, actually, I usually leave both the module name in there, but sign up for newsletter. And then I tell myself that this is a text module so that I know, okay, the content of this is the text for the sign up for the newsletter. And it comes right up above this newsletter sign up form. And then there's a divider module right above it. Yes, it's all the same size here, but I know what this content is because I've given myself a clue. Let's say that we actually wanted to move that sign up for the newsletter and the newsletter sign up form, and I wanted this over underneath the meeting information. All I'd have to do is drag and drop it over here. It's very easy. I don't have things disappearing on me in the same way that I do on the front end. I also have some more control over what my column layout is going to look like. Maybe I want some more room for the board meeting information in the middle, and I want smaller spaces for this. All I have to do is click in that top row box to see that and see that change. And now I have slightly more space reserved here for my board meetings proportionally to everything else. So that's just a reason that I like to be familiar with the back end. It makes you a more flexible user of Divi, and it gives you a little more control when you're trying to fight moving things around. Building on the front end or building in the visual builder is really nice for being able to see how proportionally things are going to lay out because, as I said, on the back end, a divider is just one tiny little line, but in the back end, it takes up the same amount of space as every other module. Um, so let's talk about um, our common modules. So again, Divi is a modular builder. Apparently, I can't say that 5 times fast. And everything is contained within different function modules. I do have on our training page, if you ever just need to be like, oh, there's this whole giant list of modules, because if I come into this page and I'm going to go back to my wireframe because it's easier to add a module. You just click on this black plus. If I click on this add new module, I get this giant drop down of all these choices. And if you happen to have the Divi Supreme Pro and fully enabled, which I don't think anybody does, I think most of you just have a few choices enabled. But if you have some of these free or not, well, now add-on modules enabled, you get this giant list. And how are you supposed to choose which module is going to be the best module for your work? Well, I've done a little bit of the work for you by creating some of these demonstration pages, and there are Divi module demos. And these basically, I am going to say 99.9% of the work that you do on your Divi website is going to involve a text module, an image module, a header module, and something like a blurb module, and then either a toggle or an accordion. So if I was going to be doing any amount of work on here, if we come back here, and I know I just need a piece of text on my website that tells something about something, I can, instead of being overwhelmed by this entire list of modules here, and I know that I want to put text on my website, I can just start typing text and it's going to filter this down for me and give me just the ones that have text in their name. You probably won't see most of these purple ones because we're not using most of these. A lot of these for accessibility reasons we will never use because they're animations. But all you have to do is click on type in text and click on the text. If you do not know what kind of module you want to work with, these module demos will give you an idea what the name is versus what the function is. So the demo page 1 shows a text toggle module, image versus a gallery module, and a blog module versus a post slider module. And there is a video associated with this. So if you want to see it demonstrated, I think I had a video for this one. Maybe I don't. Maybe I will be posting this video here. But this shows you what the difference is between a text module, which is just a very, very basic block for putting in text, versus a toggle module, which has a drop down with text content, and you can collapse up that module. This is an accessible piece of Divi design, so you are free to use this. And as long as this is a bad example because it's, I think this is because I made a global change to my to my modules, and this one was, I will have to come back and fix this. This is not contrast ready, but the function of this module, even though it's hidden visually to a sighted user to save space on a page, the content of the module is still accessible to a screen reader, even though it is collapsed up and down. So a text module versus a toggle module. An image module, this is, you see these quite often. And in fact, it's ironic. This is not an image module up above where it says this is the image module right now where it says Libby. A gallery module shows multiple images in it. Remember the thing that makes these modules accessible is if they have alt text in them. So an image anywhere on your website needs to have alt text. And if they have alt text, then these modules are accessible. You probably won't do too much with blog and post slider modules because, well, especially not with the animations. These animations will be going away. This is usually like a one and done on your website. It is set somewhere and it is showing your library news. You're probably not going to be adding one to your site. And then a blog module, again, is not something that, if you had a very specific need for it, you might be asking us and we'd be putting together a blog module for you. But the text, toggle, and image modules you likely will be using. And again, to add, like if you wanted to add an image module to your website, all you have to do is click that plus sign. If you don't want to scroll and look for image in here, all you have to do is start typing and it will filter it down until you find that image module. When we start talking about let's see, I want to do a demo on, where's header? Oh, I don't even have a header. There are, we talked about heading structure a lot when we talk about accessibility. Heading structure is very important for a screen reader because it helps a screen reader navigate your page and it helps a viewer navigate your page. If a page were truly accessible and designed for accessibility, this page, because it says website demonstration Divi modules, this would be what we call an H1, a heading 1 module, or a heading 1 setting. And there's two different ways of achieving headings in text. This is the outline of my website. This is an H1 is equivalent to a title. So if you are going to have a page, for example, on this page, library board is the title of the page. Library board is going to be my page H1. H1 title, H1 title. They're the same thing. And a page can only have one title. Ding against Divi is that it wants to give you more than one H1. It wants to throw H1s everywhere on your website. And this is a conscious decision on your part to make sure that when you are putting additional text boxes and spaces on your website, if you are designing this much, that you need to start using H2, H3, and be conscious of those changes. This is also something as we get into using an accessibility checker plugin on your websites, we will be adding a feature where you can ask for help. So if you've made a change to a website and you've added some text and you want it to be a header and you're not sure you've done it right, there will be an option for you to send in a request for us to review the page and make sure that you've got your headings right, or among other things. But if I'm looking at this page where it says website demonstration Divi modules, again, H1, this Divi text and toggle module examples should be an H2. And then each one of these underneath, if there was another heading down here, would be H3s. This one again would be another H2, and then H3s, H2, and H3s, H4s, H5s. You don't have to use multiple headings, but if you have a large amount of content on a page, the multiple headings really do help. So if we're looking at our library board page, what we have here is we've already labeled these with using the admin labels. The library board is an H2. The board meetings are another H2. And actually, probably the past meetings link should be another H2 because those are very specific sections of our board website. We have the list of our library board members, we have the list of current meeting information, and we have our other information like the past meeting links. So this would be another H2. Underneath our library board header, we have our listing of, we could do an H3 for current board members and then list all of our board members underneath. And then maybe we have something like past board, maybe there's a reason, I don't, maybe some library boards like to honor emeritus, or maybe you have an ad hoc committee, or you have other reasons. You could create another H3 underneath here that would be equal value to your board members, but maybe it's a finance committee, maybe it's a planning committee that has members on it, but they're different from the library board members, but they're still falling under that library board main title. So you want to make sure that you're using appropriate heading structure. And I'm going to now show you within Divi how that is done. Um, there are kind of two different ways to do it. This one happens to be using a text module in which text has been typed into the text box, and then a heading level 2 is chosen to format the text. That is very common across websites. It's a text module, but it contains text set at the heading 2 level. Super easy, super done, not a problem. This is another one where, again, the library board is actually set at a heading 3. It's supposed to be a heading 2. So now we've got a library board heading 2 over here, and then the board meetings heading 2. Another option, this is an equal but different option, is to use a different type of module, and that is called a heading module. So it just simplifies matters. All it is, the only thing you can do in this module is to put one line of text that is your heading. You can add your admin label that tells you on the back end that this is an H2. So you have, and the only thing in this text box is one line for your heading. Here, though, you don't choose, unlike in that text box for library board, the text in the text module. And remember, in Divi, you can always figure out which module you are in by looking in the upper left-hand corner. In the text module, you would choose and format your heading based on the drop down in the text box. I'm going to do, well, it's okay. In the library board, just so we have them side by side so you can see them here. In the library board module or heading module, you're going to click on the module settings, come into design, heading text, and here is where you select your H2. There are pros and cons to using either. They achieve the same effect on the front end. So if I look here, nobody visiting my website is going to know that there is any difference between the text module that has a library board heading 2 and the heading module, other than board is not capitalized in the text module. So we'll capitalize that one. And now they look exactly the same. So this is a designer choice to decide whether you're going to use a heading module or a text module to achieve the same purpose. The trick, though, through any of these modules is to make sure that, again, if this is a heading 2 and the current board members there are a heading 3, and then if I had a committee meeting and I needed another heading 3, or committee that was meeting, I would want that to be another heading 3. Let's say we did establish a committee and now we have, and I'm going to go ahead and broaden this one back out so we have a little more room. Let's say that we did decide that we were going to have a planning committee that was going to meet, and we want to list those members on the website beneath the current board members. I have two choices here because I want it to be a heading 3. I want it to match this one. I could go down and I could add a brand new module and just make it the same, or using Divi, I can duplicate my module. I can simply click on the little duplicate icon in the middle, and now I have two current board member modules that match. On the back end, we had already looked at this and we know that these are both text modules with an H3 format. And because I'm going to be doing some moving around, I'm going to work on the back end for a second. I'm going to drag this all the way down, and I'm actually going to duplicate my divider as well so that I have a divider that goes between the current board members. And I want to take a look at what this looks like as I scroll down here. So now I've got board member 1, board member, board member, board member. And then I'm going to click on here, and instead of saying current board members, I want this to say building planning committee. And so now I have a heading 3 that will where I will start listing my planning committee members. So if a screen reader were to come in here, and I'm going to delete my duplicate library board. If a screen reader were to come in, what it's going to do is it's going to read library board, then it's going to, the library board, and this one, it's actually going to read library board again, which might be duplicative, but then it will read current board members, and it's going to read here, or it will read to the screen reader user. It's going to say, you have an H1 of library board. The H2s are library board, board meetings, and I'm going to change this one to link to, I'm going to actually make go to past meetings is actually going to be a heading 2. And then we're going to have to do some formatting here to change that. Let's see. Text color. I think I know. Anyway, should there. So a screen reader would hear heading 2 library board, heading 2 board meetings, heading 2 go to past meetings. So very quickly, somebody coming to a website with a screen reader would, just like somebody with their eyes, hear the 3 top option, high level options. And let's say they actually did want to hear the library board members. And I think I'm going to say library board members here. And if they wanted to hear a list and a contact information for the library board members, they would hit enter, and then they would hear all of the H3 options beneath the library board members. They would hear current members, and then they would hear building planning committee. And then after that, they could decide what information they wanted to listen to beyond that. So in Divi, the main point of that is to make sure that when you are designing, you are preparing for what order of information you want read out loud and what order you want that read in, and then selecting that design option. So again, you can do it in a text box simply by highlighting the text and selecting your heading level. Or if you are designing with a heading or with a header module, rebuild that. You have your board meetings, and then under design, it's going to default to H1. You want to make sure that it comes down to H2, H3, H4 as necessary. So that's again, text modules, Divi, text modules and heading modules in Divi, and setting the heading level for accessibility. Those are some of those skills that, as we're building a website, might be something that you've forgotten about and how to do, and just need a little refresher. Now, let's say we already have a sign up for newsletters over here, but let's say because we have a building project, and I would still do some fixing over here to make sure we had good headings for sign up for our newsletter and donating to our building project. But let's say that I'm going to duplicate my divider and I want to add um, a header, an H3 that is sign up for building project, or not sign or donate to our building project, and we're going to say donate. And again, I am going to make this because this would fall under what would be my H2? Maybe it's going to be building project instead of newsletter. Let's do an H2 of a building project. And that's going to be a heading 2. And I'm going to do an admin label on that. So building project H2. And then I'm going to do a heading underneath that, donate. Donate to the building project. And this is donate H3. And I'm going to select H3. So we've got this being our next important thing. And then I'm going to add a button because I have a link to a donation page. So one of the things that we want to make sure that we are doing is creating accessible links and buttons. A button is a great little tool, but what it does just by default is it uses this terminology, click here. And that has been very common across the internet, but click here, when you think about it, is actually a very confusing term. Because click here for what? Probably your brain is going to go back up and say donate to the building project, and click here refers to donate to the building project. But we don't want to leave any room for ambiguity. We want to use terminology that is more specific and more accessible to everybody. And so we probably want to say donate or link to donation page. Oops, donation page. And we can do some more designing to make that look good. The other thing that you can do, and this is more of an advanced technique, and I'm not going to show you how to do it, but what you would do is you would ask for help from us to add what is an ARIA label. And I call an ARIA label like an alt text for anything that's not an image. So if it's apparent through what you're putting on the page visually that this is a link to our donation page, then you may not need to say that again in the link here, but you would need to add something called an ARIA label, the alt text for the button that gives more verbiage to somebody coming to your website to understand it. But we can usually get away with most of this just by creating a more descriptive link name. So if we have link to donation page is our button text. And then I have my button in my admin label, and I'm going to label it for myself. I'm going to go donation button. And under design, this is where I get to have a little more creativity with Divi, but it's also the place that I know most people get very frustrated in that there's so many choices to make about button designs that you don't know where to land and where to choose. My advice for design in Divi is keep it simple. Go with whatever else is on your website. And what is also very neat about Divi is that if you have another button somewhere on your website, you can copy those styles and you can make those styles come over to your same page. So let's just leave that click here, and I'm going to take a second and go to another page on my site, like right here on the home page. I have some buttons here, and these maybe these buttons I already have decided this is the style that I want to maintain through my entire site. If I come into my visual builder or backend builder, and I see that there is my button is right here, I can copy my module. I can copy this button and come back to this page and come down to the plus and right click, and I can paste that module, and I suddenly have the button from my front page over here on this page. So again, come to your module that you want, click on the three buttons, and that brings up a shortcut menu. And one of the options is to copy the module. Another thing you can do is copy module styles. This may not carry over quite as well across pages, but then I could come to this button that I created generically, again, click on the other module settings, and I can paste my module styles. Sometimes that doesn't carry over between pages, but now that this one is here, let's see if I can copy module styles, paste module styles. No, oh, I know why. I think. Design button. Yes, because in a button, if you create a new button from scratch, you have to come into settings, design, button, and then there's use custom styles for button is set to no right now. I want to use some custom styles for buttons. I want to change my color. I want to change my look. Now, if I paste the module style, still doesn't want to do it. Well, let me copy it one more time. Copy module styles. Okay, well, fine. Divi's just going to be that way today. Oh, it didn't. Button. Yes, use custom styles for button. Why does it keep turning off? Copy module styles. Paste module styles. And as soon as I paste the module styles, it goes back to, okay. There must be something going on with this button that, apparently not a great example. I apologize. But you can always copy in a different module from a different place on your website. You can then choose to modify that module here, and I can change the text here to be donate to building or link. Oops, I don't know why I did that. Link to donate. And then on here, and that's why, because the link here is actually going out to a sample catalog, but we're just going to go test test link nowhere. And that would be our link to our donation page. So the main thing with buttons, though, is to make sure that you are using in your design when you are selecting your colors for your buttons to use a contrast checker. And if you just Google contrast checker, the web aim one is usually the first one that comes up, and this is the one we like best. And put in these colors to make sure that these are contrast ready. If you hover over the little eyedropper, or if you are up here selecting a color, when you hover over that spot, it's going to give you the hex code. You're going to take that hex code, paste it into your color picker. It's going to, let's see, give you your example down here. Right now we have a fail because we have blue text on blue text, which is not great. But when we come back to our button, let's see, our button text color is white, which is all is hex codes all F, or you can just color pick and come up and click on that white box up there. And I just happen to know it's all F. And then that will come out and tell you that your contrast is passing. So those are my Divi kind of refresher ideas for you, is basically Reminder that any module that you use can be searched for, so you don't need to like scroll all the way down and try to find the text. If you know you're looking for a text module, you can just start typing and hopefully type the right thing to find it. When you are creating your new page or your layout to your page, make sure that you're thinking about the flow and creating headings, and you can either do that by using a text module or a heading module. And then if you are creating a button on your website, make sure your terminology in your button is clear and specific, not just click here, but click here or link to donate, something more descriptive, and that the colors that you choose for your buttons are high contrast. And anytime you choose colors on your website, that you're using high contrast, and that can be checked with a web checker. There's always a lot more we could talk about. And obviously we've already done some stuff on uploading links to websites or links to SharePoint and other pieces like that. Um, but when you do need to make a change on your Divi page, do so. But do so, you can use the back end, you can use the front end. There's different ways to do it using the admin labels. But then each step of the way, just make sure you're doing that with accessibility in mind. So that's what I got for you today. Anybody have any questions on all of that? Yes. Go ahead, Trevor.
One of the side effects with using multiple modules would be, isn't there a lot of padding between them?
So adjusting padding between modules. Yes, there can be, um, but it
And I don't
kind of,
want to default from your defaults, so
you
I'm
don't want
ashamed
to go
from
away
your
from your
defaults.
defaults. And that's one of the things is I have come into a few websites and I've seen some places, and this goes back, this isn't you guys even, this is like choices being made in building websites, which I'm not necessarily criticizing because technology, screen technology has changed. So some of the things that applied before don't apply anymore. Um, but if you are in, let's do the board meetings here because it's up top, and you come into the design and spacing is what you're talking about, is adding this extra padding around things. Sometimes it makes sense and sometimes it does work. But if you're trying to get rid of this white space between here and you like uh, reduce the margin, let's say reduce the margin by 100. Well, I was going to increase it by 100. Do a negative 100 here to try to move that over. It can get really messy when you're trying to do it look at it on a responsive design. So it might
Okay.
look fine here, but if I were to look at it on a phone, it
Yeah,
might
no.
actually bump it right off the screen.
I guess I was thinking about if I have a module that has my heading, and then I
Oh,
have another
heading.
module that has all my text, and then I have
Got
a
it.
third module and a fourth module, how
Yes.
much white space is going to be on my screen?
That is an excellent question. So that is I see what you're saying. Yep. So the choice in whether you use a heading module here versus
The
the,
heading be in
having
the
the
blurb,
heading inside this module.
right?
Um, because if you had a text module, it would be the same effect. But you
No.
can to reduce text to reduce space, you could put library board or board meetings, sorry. Oh, can't type. Board meetings, and then change that to a heading two. Actually, it wasn't bold. And then you would reduce that white space here.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't have the first board meetings and just make board meetings a label within the blurb or the text module and make it an H1. Is that
Yep,
okay?
that is fine.
Okay.
Just make sure it's, and like that is a heading two. Okay, and this should be a heading two, right?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yep, as long as you're using your correct heading level, yeah, that's why it looks different, is because I was set at a heading one. So they would
Okay,
look the same, but that does reduce it. Good point, good tip. Good tip. So if you
all right,
want
thank
less
you.
white space, put it all in the same module.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Any other questions on or tips or ideas that you've come up with that make Divi work better for you? Yeah, Kristen.
No tips or tricks or anything. Um, can we make changes to the headers on our web page?
So, yeah. So you want to, let me go to the library board
Um,
page here.
that
Um,
is consistent from page to page. So that in my case, the one that says these are our hours, this is our phone number.
um, that is a little bit trickier. So basically, you're saying making changes to any of this part up here.
Yes, when I ran through the accessibility checker, the
Hmm.
contrast jumped out as being not enough contrast.
Yeah. This is one of the things that probably Brendan is going to have to pick or to fix, but we can. It's just not as easy as like opening up a module like we do on a page and doing that fix. We have to go into a different menu.
Okay, and that's
And
something that I shouldn't mess with.
not right now. You can bring it to a 201,
Okay,
or there are a few tutorial things out there if you want to play with it. But again, that is a change that will happen across your entire website if you
okay,
do it.
okay.
So
So
bring it to a 201.
don't worry about it.
Yep.
Got it.
But don't worry about it right yet. If we don't fix it before Brendan gets to doing the accessibility on all your sites, yeah,
Okay.
that's a tricky one.
It just seemed like
Um,
something easy enough for me to do, except for I can't access it.
can't
So
access it.
I'll leave it alone. No worries.
Not a problem. If you pick colors, if you go into the contrast checker and you find hex colors and you put those away somewhere so that when we do meet and you can just be like, I want this color and this color, then you can plug them in real quick and easy.
I was checking my colors, so okay. Thank you.
Awesome. Perfect. Great. Oh, actually, while we have everybody here in the last 5 minutes, speaking of color checkers, something you can do for your website is if you do go to this contrast checker over here, and this is a little bit on the back end of your website, but not, or a little bit into you're not going to break anything by doing this, but it's a really helpful thing. If you can come into your Divi and from Divi, going into the theme builder. Oh, no, I'm wrong. I knew I was going to get that wrong. See, I did it. It's theme customizer. Okay, navigate away. Sorry, theme options, theme options. Okay. So on your dashboard, come down to Divi, select theme options. And then if you do not have your logo theme colors already put into your color pickers palette, you can go through and do the homework of using the contrast checker and pick out 3 or 4 colors that you would like to add to your website um, as your website's standard colors. So I still have, well, I have Hayward open, so I'm actually just gonna sneak in here and see.
Oh, that's one thing I was going to talk to you because we have a new logo with color
Oh,
palettes.
perfect. Okay, because I see you do happen to have the colors here, but if you wanted to change them, which maybe we'll talk about, um, all you do is click on the little circle of the color that you want to change. And then again, you're going to see that hex code pop up. So if you've gone through your contrast checker and you've discovered a hex code of a color that you like and it matches well with another one, all you need to do in the theme options here is to drop that hex code into that space and then make sure that you scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Save Changes. So anybody who's on here, and if your website does not have custom colors on here, and you'll know it immediately because I think the default colors are like blue, yellow, red, green, yellow, orange, purple, or something. Like they're very obviously probably not your library's colors. Just click on those circles, and each one you can input a different color, and that way that will be available across your website anytime that you need to change a color of a button, for example, or something. So, yeah.
And how do we know which color we're changing? Mine is the very much the red, orange, purple, blue,
So you probably have
just
that
the
like
regular default.
yeah, let me actually just pull you up. 95% of the time if I look at one, it isn't set, and then the time I'm looking for it. So if I come into Divi and its theme options, yep, this is very much the default set, which doesn't look anything like what your theme actually uses, the colors. So if do you want to know what color this is to be able to put into it, is what you're saying?
No, I think I know
Okay.
what it is, but
Is.
how do I, when you go back to the red
Mm-hmm.
to change it to that color,
Yep.
um, okay,
Yep.
that darker blue,
Yeah.
it- I can tell you the number. That
Oh,
that darker,
okay.
almost purple, I can tell you the number. It is
Okay.
2B 3087.
Oh, sorry. I have to type faster than that. 2B3087.
Correct.
And there it is. And that's
Okay,
all you do is you type it in, and as you type it in, it'll start moving that dot around,
right?
and then it'll lock in right on that color for you.
Okay.
And then you can click on the next one and type in the next number.
Okay. So what happens to the red then? If I have
The red,
anything red, it disappears?
no, it doesn't change anything. And that's why I'm saying you're not going to break anything on your site by changing this.
Okay.
You can change this as many times as you want. And all it is it's just setting these colors aside like a watercolor kit.
Okay.
Um, so it'll be there, it'll be accessible, but it's not going to automatically do anything to your website at all.
Okay. So then I think it's that next blue just below
Mhm. Yep.
is I think it's a 0.
Okay.
C71C3. So 0C71C3.
Okay. 0C71C3. Okay.
Yeah, that looks more like the
Correct.
mhm.
Excellent.
And see then the one at the very top of my, go back, yeah, that one
That
there,
one.
that's the one
That
that thing is
it
not
doesn't.
enough contrast.
I'll go ahead since we're in here. I'm going to show you. I think I can show how to change that. And if anybody else, I'm just going to keep recording because why not? I know Anne's got a couple questions that she wanted to cover, so we're just going to keep rolling with this. It's going a little, it's all Divi stuff, so this is good. Do you want to, so we're going to go ahead and try to change this color right now.
So I thought going to that dark blue, that 2B
I think that would be great.
3087 would be the quickest and easiest.
I think you are right. Okay, so changing this involves coming in and finding it in customize. This is
Yeah,
one of those I
I noticed our theme changed, but it's not 2026. It's Divi
you
Child.
I get to send this out. Um, we have Divi Child. We did not get a 2026 added.
No, because I was looking and I thought, well, gee, I don't know why it's Divi Child. I changed it to 2025 and it totally messed up everything and my heart stopped. So I went back to Divi Child.
Good news is you didn't break it, but yes, the 2025 is just there in case Divi Child stops working. Divi Child is actually a first step towards an accessibility change. So you have had one change to your website. Divi itself, Divi Child is taking the Divi theme and then adding a little bit of code to it so that the Divi theme is more accessible. Specifically, I think it adds these underlines underneath links, which is a requirement of. So WordPress, like all WordPress would need to do is add into its base code that every link is underlined. And WordPress would be would be a more accessible platform for building web pages on. WordPress has made the decision to not have the code that tells you to underline the links. So we have to go in and add that later to the Divi theme to say underline all links. It's one of those dumb things that if all WordPress would need to do and be like, I can make every WordPress website accessible by saying we're going to put this in our code, and they actually took it out. It used to be there, and they took it out.
Sorry to distract
Yeah.
you, but it was like,
Nope. Yeah. And there isn't a 2026, which is really interesting because I don't know why.
because I know we've had to do that every year. So
Yeah.
anyway, back to
Yep.
my header color.
Okay. So we're going to go into customize. And I'm pretty sure it's under header format. Nope. I always need to guess here is what we're looking for. So it's not that hard to find. It's just that it's in such a weird different place. So I'm going to back out completely. Do this one more time. It's under customize, header and navigation, primary menu bar. And then this is the active. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, it's not right. This is where it always gets me. It's the same color everywhere, and it's not. That's this color. Okay, well, look, we're going to change it, and we're going to see what happens. Read me that code.
The darker blue is 2B3087.
No, it didn't change it. And that's drop down menu. But oh, see, that changed that one. So the home is now a dark blue.
Ah,
Do
okay.
you like, do you like that?
I don't care.
You don't care. Or I can just go to default and now it's back to
That's
that.
fine too. Default is fine too.
See, this is where I always have to like poke around. Oops.
Okay. No, that's okay.
Nope.
Don't spend any time on it if it's not quick and easy.
Let's
It's
try
just I won't worry about it now.
2B. Wait, it was 2B37.
30. 2B.
Oh, well, I found the right spot. So read it, read it out loud to
Okay.
me.
Oh, yes, I see that. 2B3087.
87. There.
Yeah,
So, okay. Secondary menu bar, which is weird because
it's at the
primary
top.
menu bar is this, and now the secondary menu bar is on top.
Okay.
And it's the background color for the secondary menu bar. But what
Okay.
I need to be careful is we actually discovered there's a place where if you scroll, it will change it to a different color. Nope. Okay. There is a setting somewhere where you can have it exit, or we couldn't figure out what was going on. If you scrolled, it would change it to a different color, but I think
Okay.
you're okay.
And then if you go to a different page, that
It will
should then stay.
stick. It will stick. Yep. So if I refresh your homepage now,
Right.
it's there. And then if I go to youth programs,
Got it. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
thanks for asking.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yep. So now we got all of those, and now you can keep going with your checker.
Yeah. And I was finding a lot of, let's call it super admin media picture,
Uh,
like
uh,
the Wisconsin Historical Society, that it was saying that the alt text wasn't good. So I went in and I was cleaning some of those up.
Perfect.
Yeah, I don't know if it's going to make a difference or not, but
It
anyway,
is definitely worth it because I think some of these things they've been up there
yes,
forever
yes.
and
So
they've never had alt text.
some of those I was changing with the alt text in my media file.
Excellent. And if you do it in one media file, anywhere that this same media file is referenced on your website, the alt text is now there.
Yeah, and
So
I've got a few more that I need to fix, that Badger Link one, and yeah. Okay, thank
excellent.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I will save your changes so that we don't lose that. Okay.
Yes, please.
And I will leave your website back to you. Okay. So, Anne, actually, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna end the recording here because this is kind of, well, no, I'm just gonna keep going. Why not? If somebody doesn't want to listen to this on the recording, they don't care, or I don't care, but they can stop. And did you want to talk about your Hayward website?
Yeah, so I've been changing things, but not changing things, you know what I
Mhm.
mean, for over a year, and you know my situation. So,
Yeah, yeah.
so
Oh, you're
anyway, couple of the major, yeah, hi.
mhm.
Couple of the major things, we've got a new logo. So
Okay.
wanted to throw that out there along with the hex, and
Okay.
that's fine. But the change I need too is you are on the friends page, which
Yes.
is they finally have a link.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the QR, and I tried making that pretty. And I loved your Divi presentation today because I understand a lot more about it now than I did, before.
Sure.
So,
Yeah. Um,
but anyway, yeah,
yeah.
so that whole page, everything needs to be cleaned up, but that really needs to be cleaned up.
So
The
tell me
donation.
what you would like to see because we can do a little bit more of that Divi demonstrating right now. What would you like to see it look like? Does it just, like you say, cleaned up? Is there, and actually one of the things maybe we should look at first is even just like, let's look at the structure. This should say, oh, when Divi stops reloading, load again. Thanks.
I always love seeing that you have problems
Oh yeah.
because it's like, oh, really? This should be a quick thing, and
And it's
it's
not.
not.
It's always that way. Okay, so Friends of the Library is the title of your page and it is heading 1. That's perfect. So the next thing that's going to be on there is Become a Friend, which is a heading 2. That's also perfect. So then the next thing I see visually is what are friends for. That's also a heading 2. Friends, officers, and board of directors is a heading 3, which is fine. It's kind of a choice. Heading 3. So if I were coming here with a screen reader, it would say to me, Friends of the Library, a heading 1 and 3, or sorry, 2 navigation, 2 heading 2s beneath that. And so then a person would listen to Become a Friend and What Are Friends For. And then if they choose What Are Friends For, they would hear Friends, Officers, and Board of Directors, and then they would hear Annual Meeting. So that's kind of the order of what they would be hearing.
Okay. So
Does
the
that make
become a
sense?
friend is fine.
Okay.
Because the next thing somehow I probably want a H2 of how to donate to the Friends of the Library.
Okay. Let's do then. That's actually, I'm going to, this is again where I kind
Because
of
I'm
like bounce
making
back.
becoming a friend different from donating to the Friends of the Library.
Smart.
Kind
Okay.
of using them as a pass, the whole
Yep.
pass through to the library.
And you don't have to be a friend to donate to the friends, so it makes sense to
Correct.
separate out that concept. And you already have a separate row here, which is perfect. So you have thank you, Divi. You have the friends, and I'm actually just going to, again, on that admin label for myself on the back end. Oops. Is I'm just going to add, I'm going to add H1 after it just so that I know. Um, And this says Hayward Library Foundation on the back end because it was probably borrowed from somewhere. So I'm going
Yeah,
to
that's
stick,
my guess. Yep.
yep, become a friend, and that's H2. And then the bookshop button says donate to the Friends of the Library. Is that still bookshop or is that
I
donation?
think that's the don't donate. I just borrowed it.
Perfect. And that usually happens because you're working on the front end and you're
Yeah.
working around.
Yep.
And then you never update the label because why would you?
Nope.
And then you have your used book room open Monday through Saturday. So just a note on accessibility here. This is an image with text. So
Ah,
this is one of our no-nos
okay.
because if a screen reader comes along and you're a person with a screen reader, again, back to what they're going to hear friends of the library, become a friend, eventually donate to the friends. What are friends for? They're
Right.
never going to hear anything about this. They're going to
Gotcha.
hear the
Okay.
word, they might hear the word image. And
Right.
unless there is unless there is alt text here, which
No.
then it's not going to be able to do anything for us. Um, let's file that away as something we need to deal with.
Yep.
But just so
I'll
you
work that.
know, we'll have to fix that. Okay, cool. So then back on here, we've got our donate button, and then we have, this is our QR code. And we'll probably have to figure out some alt text for that. Megan, I wonder what you do with QR codes. And then this one, oops. And
And that one, I don't know what that
what
is
that even is. So
without looking at the front.
okay, so this is a link to the Friends used book room. Let's see. This is
Now, what's a nice way of seeing where the link goes without,
without link clicking on it.
yeah.
What I just did is I came into the module settings
Mm-hmm.
and or I'm trying to module settings and I came up to link. And this one, it goes to a book room. It's on your website. So there is a page called Book Room.
Okay.
And that one, let's just take a look at it anyway.
For
I'm
a
gonna,
QR code.
yeah, what do we do for alt text for a QR code?
So it's best practice, they said, to have the alt text next to the QR code with saying what it's for and then a link to the website because
Like,
some people can't scan a QR code.
right. Okay. So let's come
And
back to
and that has the button had the link.
has the link. So it would be, then it would come up, and that's funny because that would come up as a redundant link. So that
Oh,
might, because then you've got two of the same links next to each other. So that might be a situation where either you just put that alt text out next to it, or you do a screen reader only and you skip over that.
And if
oh,
you want
geez.
and if you want to put alt text on your QR code, you would say QR code for such and such event
Gotcha.
registration page.
Got it. Okay, so we'll circle back to that in a second. So this so that other button comes to this page right here. So when it says Friends Use Book Room, it really does go to the Friends Bookshop. And then the Friends membership form, which I'm guessing is a PDF probably.
Yep.
Yep, we're gonna have to fix that later, but not
And
today.
I know that wanted to talk to you about that too, real quick.
Yep. And if it doesn't happen today, I'm not too worried about it. It's just okay, and that goes to the volunteer page. And this one goes to
It's a
donation.
donation. I know where that is. Yeah.
Okay.
That's a generic donation sheet that we have so people can donate to the library, friends, or the foundation to
Got
make things even more confusing.
it. So let's try to deconfusify some of that by, again, I think starting with a header would be another section. Let's start with become a friend has text. Let's try. Sometimes design comes as you make it work. Let's try heading here. And what do you want to call this section? Donate to the friends or
Yeah.
support? And once it's here, you can come and change.
Yep. Yep.
and that's going to be an H2. So we have a new section. And let's see. Actually, you know what? Let's give this a little bit of text because you said there's quite a bit of things going on here. So I'm going to change my mind. And this is the one I'm going to use a text for because we're going to do like Trevor said, donate to the friends. This is a place where you might want to have text nearby. So let's
Oh, like he
try-
said, right. Within the box, make it an H2 and then the rest.
right. So let's go, let's do a little bit of this. Something like you can support it was it the Hayward? Do you have like
Support the Sherman and Ruth Weiss Community Library.
through several or in several ways? Now let you donate to the Friends of the Library. Sign up to volunteer and share your talents. Well, it's shop the used book sale. So,
And I
or
can clean it up.
yeah, donate to other library efforts. Find out more through these links. Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to change this to donate to the friends, H2 in text. So then this is where we have to start going back and forth and see how this is going to lay out on the page. And see, because we've got, so this button goes to the same place as the QR code, correct?
Correct.
Let's see, what might look nice. Actually, maybe what we should do is actually call this, oops. And this is like,
I know that's what I find working on the front end with that. That's just
yeah,
like,
it just gets really kind of hard to move things around, but it does give me how about support the friends? Because if we include volunteering in here, or
yeah.
we can also donate to join the friends. Yeah, and you're a better wordsmith than me at this point.
Yeah, I'll fix that. Yeah. At least it's there for.
Right. This, I'm actually going to do design. Spacing.
Ah, okay.
There we got some, yeah, and sometimes that's a setting in there. So now we've got some space around that. Now what is your preferred look for buttons? Like, do you like the white ones? Do you like that blue one? Do you like something completely different? Because I'm thinking we
Well,
should go for something that looks kind of the same.
What's on my front page?
Good question. Because it looks like the default button is it's like your default button is
Yeah,
that
I would go
white
with
one.
that. Yeah.
Okay. So we should probably update your global button styles so that every time you make a button, it looks the same. But for now, I'm going to cheat. I'm going to do, let it reload. Let it reload. And while it's doing that, I'm going to actually add a module here and do a divider just so that we have a space. Oh, but I like this copy. Oh, I see. Why don't we do that? Copy row styles. Nope, don't like it.
Yeah, that's so old. That's from Anne.
And we can totally, we don't have to keep anything. Right now, I'm just going for
That's
consistency.
fine. Yep. Nope. I'm just saying it's like,
But isn't that funny where you're like, wow,
yeah,
it wasn't that long ago, but it seems that long ago.
yeah.
And then you're like, oh, but that was a long time ago now. Copy module styles. Let's see if this will transfer over the way we had hoped. Oops. The way we had hoped it would. Paste module styles.
Hey, it worked this time.
Yay. Now, here's another trick that I didn't talk about in the other earlier part. If you click on these three dots and you want all the buttons on the same page to look the same, there's another option on here to extend button styles. And
Mm,
again, use this only, use it with not caution, but just be aware, because what it's going to do, what I usually do is I make sure I select just this page. You can also
okay.
select this section or this row if you want to be even more conservative. But if you want all the buttons on the page to look the same, um, do this page and then hit extend, and it'll change them all to look the same
Nice.
at the same
Okay.
time. Um, One thing I kind of like is when my buttons, Divi does not have a great way to do this, which is too sad. But I like it when all my buttons are kind of the same size.
Yep. I agree. I agree.
And like I said, Divi doesn't do a great job of this, but we're gonna play with this and we're just gonna see if we can do a little bit, because this is going to be our widest one. Let me see if, oh, no, okay, never mind. What? Nope. Oh, it's not padding. Oh, it is padding. Okay. And it's always a little bit of guesswork, and then we have to check and make sure that that looks the same on mobile. Let's design, spacing, padding. And so we're going to have to add a lot. It's pretty close.
Oh, it's adding it. So there's nowhere where you say that it is this wide.
Yep.
Gotcha. Okay.
I would think that it would be like there's an option to just fill the space, like make it max width, and there just isn't. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm not a
No
I
problem.
just
Yeah.
play. It's just funny, like, like I'm not a coder, so I can't like really say what is and what isn't possible, but sometimes I'm just like, really? Okay, let's save this quick and then going to become a friend, um, support the friends, what are friends for? And actually this was part of that goes back to Anne, which we cleaned up or changed. So the only thing that's different on here is that this one is a little bit wider because it's in that other column, so I couldn't tell that. Let me see what it looks like on Support the friends. There, it's much better. But at least it doesn't look like one's more important than the other. Out of curiosity. I just don't know if that's going to start looking weird. Oops. I don't really want it to end up on. Yeah, I kind of don't want it to end up on 2 lines if it doesn't have to. And this is always the thing, like sometimes you play with one thing and it messes something else up. Or if we come in here and we change this to, is this okay if I change this to donate to the friends?
Yeah. Yep.
Maybe that'll make that shorten up just enough to see how that looks on here. It's still a little wider, but I don't think it's as out of line.
It's a lot better than what it was. Yeah.
Oh, that is not sign alignment center. Okay, now that's centered. Okay, we're not done yet, but how are you feeling about
A lot
that?
better. Thank
Okay.
you.
And actually, I'm gonna come in here and try something. I'm going to see if this sometimes really screws things up, so.
I know my guess is I force fed that to be like that.
Which I understand why, and HTML gets weird like that, and so
Yeah.
sometimes I understand and I don't wanna. Yeah, because then your next option here is.
Yeah, that looks good.
Is
I
that
think
okay?
I think I like it left justified. Yeah.
I mean, that calls that out a little bit, but it will also look better on, because there's not that extra space.
What I'll probably do is I'll switch it up to say
Okay.
drop it off in the friend's room
Oh,
or
geez.
you can stick or in front of or send. Yeah.
There it is, completed. And then, oops, then the org. That better?
Yep. Yep.
And you can, if it's not quite right.
Much better. Yeah.
Much better. Okay. And so this is one of those cases. I'm going to do something here because I just want to know your opinion. Again, back to choosing whether you want a heading or not. Whether you want to, if you want a heading or a text box. So as Trevor so wisely pointed out, we'll so
I
that's
think
what it
I
would look
like it
like.
that way because Right. And I've got
Now
so
that
much more. Yeah.
now that we've got that in there, I think that evens out. But that's the design choice where sometimes you just have to play with it and you're like, no, actually I do want the space. And
Yeah.
I think he did a good job. I'm gonna do something really quick here. Um I try not to overdo drop shadows, but sometimes they just really help to break up a page, in my humble opinion. Spacing. But then this is where it could really mess with things.
Ah, that's where okay.
Yeah. So if you want to create that space, it's a
Yeah.
drop shadow, but then again, it's going to push it out there. So that's where the padding comes in, and
Gotcha. Okay.
and you can kind of push that back a little bit.
All
Um,
right. Because I played around one time to do that, and I played around with margin, and it didn't quite.
yeah.
It's padding. Okay.
It's
Yep.
it's the padding part where that comes, and then because that's putting it around the entire row, and what we end up with here then is see, then you have to fix this, and you're like, but we're going to add padding. We're going to take the padding out here. Oops. And we're going to go to the default, and then now that's got space around it again. If you don't like any of this, yell at me. Order. I'm actually going to soften this just a little bit.
No, 100% better. And I'll try to find an image with just a picture, correct?
Yes. So what I would do for this part right here, and we can set you up for success in this. I just want to make sure that this
Yeah.
cut anything off.
Oh,
Uh,
up above. Go up the address.
oh, the address got wonky here. Okay. Why did you get wonky? I bet I know why.
And that'll be fine going to the left too on that. Whoop.
But I can fix it. Um, were you listening? I don't know if you were listening earlier, and I was saying we just had a giant report for the WBLS office that I had to reformat.
Oh,
I
yeah.
it's like 76 pages.
Oh my
Well,
God.
unfortunately, the problem with it is some people had been formatting that way where you put in a whole bunch of spaces like this,
Yes, instead of a tab.
which
Yes.
I understand, and so that's just like, but you're just demonstrating to the world why it's not a good practice, because the minute you change something somewhere else, like look at it in a
Right.
responsive,
Yep.
the
I
space is
I
screwed
have
up.
found that with if I have to change something in forms that Molly did, the previous director, and I'm like,
Yeah.
why? Yeah, yeah,
And
I
it's like all you
totally,
do, you put in three words here, and now everything's like tabbed bad,
yeah,
down. So just again, that emphasis on or training people that, remember that we need to use our modern tools. And because
yeah,
this is what we've gone through this whole, like, when you were in high school, you were on a typewriter, and now you're trying to work with this stuff. And
yeah.
so, okay. Unfortunately, this just ends up, see, this is where I just wish Divi were a little more, oh, but I might be able to fix this one differently. Um, no, that is already correct. Okay.
I can play around with that,
Okay.
Erica.
Okay. And if you don't want them, it's like there's options there. And that's
Oh,
pretty
it's
much
100% better. Yeah.
okay, so there's that. Now for this, let's set you up for success here. What you're going to want to do is add a text box. And I said earlier, text. Or actually, this would be a great place for a blurb. Um, we are gonna try something. We're gonna do a blurb. And then you do not have to use a title for the blurb. You can leave that blank. And then what you're going to do is type the contents of this.
Oh,
So just
just right in there, Friends of the Library, used book room.
used book room open Monday through Saturday.
And I'll fix the rest. That's
Books
fine.
are dot dot dot.
Yeah.
And so that's all there already. If you wanted a title for it, it's just going to be Friends of the Library Book Sale or Book Room. What you have to pay attention to is this is a design choice for what the heading level is going to be.
Mhm.
It is automatically making a heading 4 because
Okay.
it looks good, but what we were talking about was here you've got a heading 1, a heading 2, and now you're jumping down to a heading 4.
Mm-hmm.
That's out of order. It's going to get confusing. So if you were going to use anything, I would do a heading 3,
Okay.
or I would remove the title text and just have a body paragraph.
Okay.
I'm going to take it out for now. And then the image here, like you could pull out just this chunk of books here
Yeah.
and have for your image. I don't know if you have anything that's just books.
Not really. We tend to like all the verbiage.
Yeah. And so
I'll do something.
okay. And so that's kind of what we're just advising everybody. It's like you have these nice posters in Canva. Just take the
Yeah.
image part and put that in here. And
Okay.
then so you know this trick, right? For visibility.
Yep.
I'm gonna
Yep.
hide it. Yeah, you know that. I'm gonna hide it
Oh,
from you.
yeah. Yeah.
So you still have this active, and then you can go ahead and come in here and put the words and the image in there. Okay, let's save that.
Yep. One other quick question.
Hmm.
What what do I save PDFs to instead of PDFs? And then I'm done.
Um, so what we are doing, and I mean, and I will create for you a SharePoint. I'm calling it a repository. I'm going to create a SharePoint file system, a file location for you. And anything that you want to put on your website, you can put into this repository.
Okay.
And then what you're going to do is you're not going to use PDFs, you're going to use Word documents. And when you link those documents to your website from that repository, they will show up as read-onlys. So it's not like somebody can edit your Word document.
Okay.
They'll show up, it'll look almost like a PDF on the page, and then they can print it, they can download it. It will
Gotcha.
download for them, it'll download as a PDF or print as a PDF. But if they're cited, they can use a PDF.
Okay.
But the screen reader will be able to read those documents. So I
All right.
will, when we sign off here, I will make that because it's going to be the Hayward, it'll be your guys' as the Ruth and Sherman Weiss repository. You're the only ones besides me or us on the
Right.
admin end that can add and take from it. If you want you to be in there, if there's anybody else you want to have access to it, just let me know and I'll add their email address.
Okay. That would be Taylor.
Okay.
Then, because I watched a part of yesterday where you said if I automatically save my agenda and all that to the thing, it'll update. I'm like, oh, yes, one less step.
One less step. You
Yeah,
don't
I
have
felt
to,
like, oh, God, that's when you had the enable off or,
yeah.
I'm like, oh, that's a good thing.
Just one less step. And
Yes.
and and I will
Yes.
show you when you start adding documents to that. Um, I'm going to send you the step-by-step tutorials and the videos that do the step-by-step
Okay.
for how to do it when I send that to you. Um, but what you can also do is like what we've kind of cheated, and we instead of sharing individual files or linking individual files, we're doing an entire folder. So
Yep,
like
that'll be great.
the entire year can go up onto your website, and all you have to do is create a new folder for each meeting.
Yeah.
So
And we
we'll,
could do that with our calendar also. I
um,
do a Canva calendar though. I know.
yeah,
I know I
mm,
heard your blurb about Canva isn't
Canva.
very friendly.
No, it's not. It's really not.
I can talk to you another time about that.
I think that's going to be yes. And it's again what I was talking about earlier. I don't know if you caught that, but the this is not something that's going to be like somebody's going to start coming to your website
I know.
and
Yeah.
we will be working towards being better all the time, and there's always going to be something else to fix.
Yeah.
Keep doing your Canva calendar for now,
Okay.
and we will find other solutions as they make sense. And we're learning every day. We're like somebody comes up with an idea, and we're like, oh, that's a great idea. Um,
Okay.
so I don't, sometimes it's just a matter of waiting until we find a new tool that is really awesome, or
Yeah.
Canva fixes itself.
No, great. In the chat, somebody said something about a scheduling visual tool. They found a
Oh,
scheduling visual tool.
Um, I think that's so in the visit let me check your website.
Sarah from Hudson put it in the
Yeah, I
chat.
she is enable a scheduled element. So you know how to do the visibility here for
Yep. Yep.
for this. There's another tool addition now. And this is newish. You probably knew since anyway.
Yep. It's new to me.
Use scheduled element. So you can
Excellent. So it's just like where it goes away. Great, because I've been wanting this because sometimes I have time to put it on there, but it's like,
not time to take
oh,
it off.
but
So
no time
instead
to,
of
yeah.
yeah, so I know you use this a lot. Now you
Yep.
can schedule any of these things so that they come on and they go off on a date.
Oh,
So what you
excellent.
want to do is use between date and time and schedule an end date. So
Oh,
you can
great.
either schedule to just appear or you can make it date and time appear and disappear. Don't use the business hour thing. Skip that because
Okay.
that's supposed to be like if it's something that pops up while you're open and not open, and it doesn't work with the way we do our business hours very well. Um,
Okay.
but yeah, so there's a bunch of new options with the use scheduled element. And that's
And that is only through the Divi, correct?
it's on any Divi module.
All right. Thank
Yep.
you.
Hmm.
Thank you very much.
Yes, absolutely. I'm really glad to see you again, and um, don't hesitate. Yeah, I knew that this was coming up. I had that presentation yesterday, and I'm like, I'll catch Ann.
And I caught 5 minutes of it. It's just been one of those again.
Yeah, I get it. And that,
You
oh, there,
understand.
I totally understand, but I'm grab you when we can. So,
All right. Thank you very
okay,
much.
you are welcome. I'm going to stop this recording just because it's been going on.